So this session is completely Citrix virtualization class. So in the Citrix virtualization, there are two types of virtualization main products we are dealing. So one is server virtualization products and another one is desktop and application virtualization. Okay. Previously,
Okay.
Citrix has there are XenApp and XenDesktop. There are different products it is there. But
Okay.
in 7 onwards, in the 7 version, both applications and desktops they'll be unified architecture. With the same product,
Okay.
we will deliver applications and desktops. So that's a main requirement with this course. So now, whatever the PPT I'm presenting to you is a original the company which is provided by Citrix. Okay,
Okay.
so that means original content I'm sharing to you. That means the corporate training for you mainly.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So this is a module 0 and course introduction. Course introduction. That's a course overview. Let's we'll see that.
Okay.
And these many points we are going to cover. So unnecessarily I'm not able to discuss one by one. So let's go to that
Okay.
slide by slide. We can check that.
Okay.
So basically, we are looking for the student introduction. So you already share your experience. Okay, that
Yeah.
means uh, you already you already you said that you have a 15 years of experience and you have a .NET and application development and testing experience. Okay,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
you're looking for Citrix training, especially for Zen Server, Zen App, and Zen Desktop. And along with you need a networking also. Networking technologies also you need some experience because of
Yeah.
uh, your thinking might be the Citrix is depending on the networking side. So for that reason, um, you're looking for a networking also, networking class and how it will helpful for our Citrix, those things, right? So definitely.
Yeah.
So the candidate should coming to our training before he needs some at least networking experience or might be virtualization experience. Even though if the candidate doesn't have networking and virtualizations experience, our training will slightly will change in a different mode. Okay. If the
Okay.
candidate
Okay.
have already networking and virtualizations experience, okay, and he has a
Okay.
Citrix hardware and software experience, we will go as it is. We'll go as it is in the
Okay.
PPT. But if the candidate doesn't have experience like you, we will change our pattern. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the main thing. So now the class expectation. So you given some expectations from my side, right? You're looking for
Yeah.
networking and a Citrix product knowledge. Yeah, definitely. I'll provide you the basic networking concepts. Okay. That
Okay.
networking concepts which will help you for not only Citrix, not only Citrix,
Okay.
in general, wherever you go, the networks will help you. The networking
Yeah.
concepts will help you. The network concepts are universally equal. There is no changes at all. For Citrix,
Okay.
we have different types of network concepts. VMware, we have a different types of network concept, not like that. So networks is
Okay.
a universal concept everywhere. So that concept
Okay.
I'll explain. But
Okay.
you have to spend additional time along with me. That's I'm requesting you.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
because
Okay.
of the time is only 30 sessions for to complete our Citrix course, at least you need to spend additional 5 classes to cover
Okay.
networking concepts, server hardware concepts, those things.
Is it possible to complete in 5 classes for networking?
That's what. So 5 classes means you have to spend more time for practice. That means whatever work we are providing, that work you had to implement it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
networking means basically there are two types of networking. So one is a A++ networking course is there. Okay, there's a
Okay.
network basics class.
Okay.
So, and there is another course is that CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. I'm not teaching Cisco Certified Network Associate course, CCNA. That will take 30 days course. Okay. And if you're
Okay.
learning CCNA, why should come for
Okay. Okay.
Citrix course?
Okay. Both is available in the Citrix and CCNA is both is different or it's same?
Yeah, CCNA is a, in general, there is a network team. Every company we have a network team, right? So that network team, if you want to manage your switches, routers, hubs, internet connections, firewall rules, all these things will be managed by NMG, Network Management Group. Every company,
Okay.
every software company, we have a network team will be there. That is, we are
Okay.
not working, you know. That is, we are not working. But as your Citrix engineer, as your Windows engineer, as your Linux engineer, whatever, any administration course, any administration
Okay.
technology you are learning, okay,
Okay.
basic networking is required. What is meaning of basic networking? I'll tell you. What is network? What is networking? And what is the IP address, public address, private address? In public address,
Okay.
how many classes are there and what are the ranges? In private, what are the classes, what are the ranges? How the IP address will be communicating to other IP address? That means one system to another system. What are the logics
Okay.
there behind? What are the network layers will be behind in the network? What are the devices we are configuring in the networking concepts? What are the devices which plays roles on the network layer protocols? What are the protocols? What are the protocol numbers? Where we are
Okay.
using? Especially in the Citrix, what are the networking concepts we are following that? What are the protocols we are using? That is the main concept.
Okay.
Understood? So
Yeah.
these concepts you can apply anywhere, any technology like cloud, VMware, Windows, Linux, anywhere you can apply. Not an issue. Example, you are
Okay.
already developer. Example, you build one application, a .NET. Okay, so .NET
Okay.
based one web page you created. Example, I don't know whether you are creating .NET with web page or not. So might be the backend, the
Okay.
web page you created. The web page, how will be
Okay.
connected? The protocols, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes you will be using HTTP, sometimes you will be HTTPS. And how it will
Yes.
work? The network, how you'll be configuring. All these things we can work. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the reason even the candidates mostly in our training, especially my training, without networking concepts, I will not teach Citrix. Sure,
Okay.
understood. So let me show you
Okay.
that my previous class videos. Okay, every class will be recording in our training. So
Okay.
especially Citrix. Example, the recent class I am taking. So before, see, we have a Windows class, must and should. Without Windows knowledge, how can I practice Citrix?
Okay.
Understood. This is only for
Yeah. Yeah.
additional, again, 6 days of training. That means included in the training
Okay.
only, guys. Including this training only.
Okay.
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 Why? But these concepts were not included in the course content, but I included. Okay.
Okay.
So because of my personal experience, so this is definitely needed for us to
Yeah.
understand better concept in Citrix.
Okay.
So come back to here, and we have a Netscaler. In Citrix, we have a product called Netscaler. Why would call Netscaler required? That is again networking concepts. Today, everyone they are working from home due to COVID season. How people
Yeah.
are working from home? Every server is in company data center, but you people are working
Yeah.
from home. But you will lose security when you're connecting from home.
Yes.
So how it will happen?
Sometimes some. Mm-hmm.
We use the security products in the market. We will use the security servers, the firewall servers.
Yeah.
So with the help of we will be connecting securely in our servers and we are working from home. Otherwise, we will not work, right?
Yes.
So that also will be covered. So each and every part I will be decided sector wise. Citrix,
Okay.
Windows, Netscaler, and
Mm.
apart from these classes, I'll specially give the training for network plus training. This is called basic level of training. This is a basic level of networks. What is meaning of basic? I told
Okay.
you, know, private address, private public address, subnetting concepts. Huh? What is meaning of variable length subnet masking? Huh? So how the IP address will be communicated to other IP address. All these things will be discussed in this area.
Okay.
Okay, this is currently ongoing batch. There is another batch, so I have took some videos. So I'm giving an example for you. Okay,
Okay.
so each and every class will be recorded in our system, and I'll share with you. Okay, so example
Okay.
you can see here. So day by day, the module wise, we will topic by topic we will teach, and the video will be shared to you. Okay,
Okay.
and apart from that, we have a lab facility also. I'll show you. Okay, we have a lab facility also. We'll show you. And do you have any personal computer with a minimum 16 to 32 GB of RAM at present?
Yeah.
How much
I
RAM?
don't know. I think so. I don't know correctly. I have a laptop. It's available with 16 or 32. I don't know.
Better you can check. So currently you are connected with
No,
laptop.
no, no. Connecting with mobile.
Okay, you're connecting with mobile. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So you can later in next class you can check. Okay, so how much RAM it is
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Okay, if you have a sufficient more than 16 GB of RAM, we will set up the lab simultaneously in your
Okay.
laptop also. You can practice it. So, and
Okay.
I will also provide the online lab facility that also you can connect. So, and daily, so whatever the time you'd like, you can select it and you can use it. Okay.
Okay.
So now move to that next slide. The candidate should before coming the class, so he should knowledge about what is meaning of server, what is meaning of desktop, and what is meaning of applications. He has some idea. So even though doesn't
Okay.
have an idea about server desktop application differences, I already discussed about Windows concepts, right? In the Windows concept,
Yeah.
I'll explain what is meaning of server operating system, what are the versions are available in Windows, and what are the desktop operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, how to install and how to configure. If example, we are installing one application, how to install, where the files will be stored there, and what are the executable files. So all these things we'll explain that. So in the during the class
Okay.
itself, we'll explain. Is a part of the course. Okay. Even though we don't have
Okay.
any experience and virtualization concept. So going forward, we will discuss about virtualization because Citrix is a basically the technology we used for virtualization technology. Okay. So
Okay.
we have a different types of virtualizations are there. One is a server virtualizations, desktop virtualization, application virtualization, network virtualization, storage virtualizations like that. Okay. So now
Okay.
this concept will explain. Okay. Normally the candidate should have a minimal idea about it. And
Okay.
so Citrix, the product, the latest versions are compatible with the Windows 2016 operating system and Windows 10 operating system. So in our class, I'll teach both Windows 2012 R2 and as well as 2016 operating system along with the Windows 10. Okay. So these are the
Okay.
combination. We will set up the lab and we will complete entire course. Any
Okay.
question?
No, no.
So let's move this.
Actually, it's, I want to know one more thing.
Mhm.
It is the basic networking plus I'm looking for advanced networking also.
What
That
what is
then that means you have to
what is use of advanced networking in Citrix?
looking for is a corporate office having more than 50, 60 systems. No, if having some switches, everything.
Okay, you are you
So I
connecting
want to,
switches?
yeah,
No,
connecting switches, servers.
how you will
No, I
connecting
want to
switches?
know everything on that.
No, my question is, are you connecting Cisco switches in your office?
Yeah,
How you are connecting Cisco switches?
I don't know that things already connected.
No, I mean, uh, this is a question only. Okay, example, there
Okay.
is a floor. In that floor, where there are 500 employees that are connecting. Okay,
Okay.
so in
Okay.
that floor, there is a one Cisco switch is placed it. So from that, we use the Ethernet cable. So from there,
Yeah, it's
everyone will be
another.
connected. So from that
Yeah.
switch, we have a Wi-Fi router. Some people will be connected Wi-Fi connection. Are
Yeah.
you managing the switch connecting remotely?
No, no.
That's what I'm telling. Okay. So that will be managed by network management group team. That is not your job. Okay.
Actually, I'm that is also I'm able to know, right? If having any issues, we have to identify means what to do.
ஸோ நான் ஒன்று சொல்கிறேன் பாருங்க. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு அது ஓகே அப்படி நான் சொல்லிட்டு ஏதாவது ஒரு ராங் கான்செப்ட் வந்து நான் டீச் பண்ணா தட்ஸ் மை மிஸ்டேக். ஓகே,
Okay,
ஸோ
okay.
அது தேவையே கிடையாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் இட்ஸ் நாட் ரிக்வயர்ட் ஃபார் யூ.
இல்ல இப்போ என்ன அப்படின்னா இப்போ ஒரு சர்வர் இருக்கு,
ம்.
சுவிட்சஸ் இருக்கு, அதுல ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு, அதை ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணணும்.
அது
அது
நான் சொல்றேன்.
ரிலேட்டடா
I will
செக்
tell you
பண்ணி
that. I will tell you that. So the switch problem or not, how can identify that? What are the commands we need to use? Where the packet is dropped? The switch is working or not? I'll tell you that in that information. Understood? Do you know what switch cost? ஒரு switch cost எவ்வளவுன்னு தெரியுமா? In your office?
தெரியல.
Minimum 40,000, 50,000, 2 lakhs rupees.
Okay.
So none of the trainer will teach you with the real-time switches for the networking classes. Understood?
Okay.
In only, I think in India, very reputed institutes, okay, in Bangalore, in Chennai. There is only 2 locations they will teach you, and Hyderabad. Only these 3 locations, only 3 institutes are teaching with a real-time high level of hands-on experience network level servers like routers, switches, hubs. They will teach you. That's a CCNA concept. That's not required for you.
Okay.
Basic network means I told you, no, if the example one of the Zen server you're connected to one of the switch, the switch is down, so due to that you're not
Okay.
connecting your Zen server, Citrix server.
Okay.
So if the switch is down, switch has a motherboard got some problem, so software issue or might be hardware issue, you're a person, you have to tell to your team, they will replace it. So why should you taking that activity? உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லாத விஷயம் அது வந்து நீங்க பண்ணவே தேவையில்லை. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், அவங்க நெட்வொர்க் டீமுக்கு கால் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த ஸ்விட்ச் போயிருக்கு நீங்க
இல்ல
பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
அதெல்லாம் நான் தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுன்னு கேட்டேன்.
That's what I will teach you in the training itself. But if you are
இல்ல
have a layer,
இப்போ ஒரு சுவிட்ச் ஆக்சுவலி ஜஸ்ட் மினிட், இப்போ ஒரு சுவிட்ச் இருக்கு, அதுல நிறைய சிஸ்டம்ஸ் கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. நான் இப்போ அந்த சுவிட்ச்ல இருந்து நான் கனெக்ட் பண்ணி எவ்வளவு சிஸ்டம் அதுல கம்யூனிகேட் ஆகுது அந்த டீடைல்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் செக் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா?
No, it's cannot possible. They will not provide you access for routers. That's a security compliance. எந்த கம்பெனியும் கொடுக்காத அந்த ஆக்சஸ் உங்களுக்கு.
இல்ல இப்ப சுவிட்ச்ல ஒரு போர்ட் நான் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி, இப்போ சுவிட்ச்ல நான் ஒரு போர்ட்டை நான் யூஸ் பண்ணி அதுல இருந்து எவ்வளவு சிஸ்டம் கனெக்டட்ல இருக்கு அந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி எல்லாம் செக் பண்ணலாம்.
We will discuss in the Zen server. In the Zen server, we will discuss if you are taking one cable and we are connected one Zen server. From the Zen server, we are creating one virtual switch and we are managing them. Okay, virtual networking concepts, we will learn anything. So that is not equal to CCNA concept. Understood?
Okay.
The physical switch access is different. That's called console access. The console access will not give to you. யாருக்குமே கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. Even though you are a very top level architect in Citrix, they will not provide. Why?
இப்போ இந்த சர்வர்ஸ்ல இப்போ ILO switches, sorry, ILO
is your physical machine. ILO is a physical rack server. So that connectivity tool name called ILO, integrated lights out. So that's a Dell brand. That's a Dell brand.
ஸ்டோரேஜ் ஏரியா இருக்கு இல்லையா?
Okay.
அதெல்லாம் எப்படி கனெக்ட் பண்ணி செக் பண்ணனும்னா அதெல்லாம் இதுல கவர் ஆகுமா நெட்வொர்க்கிங்ல?
Everything should cover. Everything should cover. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே கவர் ஆகும் இந்த கோர்ஸ்ல வந்து. பட் ஒரு கான்செப்ட் என்ன கவர் ஆகாதுன்னா இந்த பிசிக்கல் ஸ்விட்ச் கனெக்டிவிட்டி உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. இப்போ நார்மலா நீங்க பிங் பண்றீங்க ஸ்விட்ச்க்கு, அது மட்டும் தான் உங்களால பண்ண முடியும். போர்ட் ஒர்க் ஆகுதா செக் பண்ண முடியும் டெல்நெட் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு, அது மட்டும் தான் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த ஸ்விட்ச்ல வந்து கன்சோல்னு இருக்கும், டெர்மினல் கன்சோல் இருக்கும். அந்த டெர்மினல் கன்சோல் உங்களால கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. அதுக்கு யூசர் நேம் பாஸ்வேர்டு இருக்கும். அந்த யூசர் நேம் பாஸ்வேர்டு யாருமே ஷேர் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. அந்த நெட்வொர்க் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் டீம்ல யார் பசங்க இருப்பாங்களோ அவங்க மட்டும் தான் அக்சஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டா இருந்தா கூட சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஹேக்கர், யூ கேன், இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஹேக்கர், இஃப் த யூசர் நேம் அண்ட் பாஸ்வேர்ட் இஸ் நோ, என்டையர் சிஸ்டம் யூ கேன் கிராஷ் ஈஸிலி. அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? தட் இஸ் a security compliance. No one will not.
எனிவே வந்து இப்போ அந்த சுவிட்சோட யூசர் நேம் பாஸ்வேர்டு தெரிஞ்சது அப்படினா நம்ம ஓபன் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
என்ன பாக்குறீங்க? That's what I'm my question. அது உங்களுக்கு
அந்த கம்யூனிகேஷன் என்னென்ன இருக்கு, எவ்வளவு போயிருக்கு வந்திருக்குங்கிறது, அது டீடைல் எவ்வளவு சிஸ்டம் கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு அந்த சுவிட்சஸ்ல இருந்து. என்டையர் நெட்வொர்க்ல எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு பார்க்க முடியுமா அந்த ஒரு சுவிட்ச்ல இருந்து?
அதுக்கு நீங்க மெயில் போடணும். நீங்க மெயில் போட்டீங்கன்னா அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க. அவங்க முதல்ல கேள்வி என்ன கேட்பாங்க? உங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவை அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க.
இல்ல இல்ல நான்
I
நான்
worked in
கேக்குறேன் இப்ப
CCNA.
எல்லாமே
I'm
இருக்கு.
CCNA certified. So first job is
ஓகே
I was worked in Sun Network is a CCNA only, Network Operating Center.
ஓகே.
So that's what I'm explaining to you. So அந்த
ம்.
ரவுட்டர்ஸ் ஸ்விட்சஸ்ன்றது வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ப்ரோட்டோகால்ஸ் மேலே ஒர்க் ஆகும். இப்போ நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுற
ஓகே.
ப்ரோட்டோகால்ஸ் அது ஒர்க் ஆகாது. அங்கே ரவுட்டர்ஸ் டு
ம்.
ரவுட்டர்ஸ், ஸ்விட்சஸ் டு ஸ்விட்சஸ், routers to switches,
ம்.
the protocols different. They will use RIP protocols, routing information protocols, IGRP, integrated routing protocols, EIGRP, enhanced integrated routing protocols, BGP, border gateway routing protocols. These type of different protocols they'll use it. Do you want to know about these protocols information? You have to learn CCNA. That's
ஓகே.
that's not useful for you. Even though I know CCNA, I'm working in Citrix team
ஓகே.
now, so
ஓகே.
I could not able to access routers because of I'm not part of the NMG team. I'm not a network
ஓகே.
engineer.
ஓகே.
They will not access. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு எனக்கு தெரியும் எனக்கு கன்சோல் கொடுங்க அப்படின்னா என் மேனேஜருக்கு வந்து மெயில் போடுவாங்க. he is asking Qs and credentials அப்படின்னு.
ஓகே. ஓகே.
So that is a
இங்கே
security.
ஆல் நெட்வொர்க்கிங் கான்செப்ட் எல்லாமே டீச் பண்ணிடுவீங்க இல்லையா?
Definitely, that's by part of the job.
ஓகே. ஓகே.
But normal training it will
ஓகே.
not cover. Normal training might be if you go for other trainer, might be he will not cover or not. I don't know. But in my training,
ஓகே.
definitely in the switch level, how they're creating and what are the protocols they're used and port numbers, how to check that. Is that everything we will check it. That's mandatory.
ஓகே.
Example, if server is
ஓகே.
down, how can I check that? Where the packet is going and which switch? Okay.
ஓகே. ஓகே.
So what is the route? What is the path? Is there only single path or multiple path? How can I check that? So these concepts, everything
ம்.
will be available. So that's what I'm trying to explain. This is our lab scenario. This is your lab
ஓகே. ஓகே.
blue blue chart.
இப்போ ஓகே. இப்போ ஒரு வைரஸ் அட்டாக் வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதில் எப்படி செக் பண்ணலாம்?
That will be taken care
சுவிட்சஸ்ல
by your
இருந்து.
firewall team. That will be take care of your firewall team. Okay.
ஓகே.
But from your side, you will get some different messages. Let's take an example. Recently means couple of years. Ransomware.
ம்.
Ransomware attack was done, right? So
யா.
how you can identify the ransomware attack? So once you open the system, we got some messages. Your system is got
யா.
hacked,
ஓகே.
and can you please transfer amount for what do you call in bitcoins?
ஓகே.
You should not transfer to bank account. So because of if you giving the bank account, the hacker will be easily identified. Okay,
ம்.
with the bank details. So bitcoins
ஓகே.
is unpredicted location. Anywhere you can transfer it. From the Bitcoin, he will be converted into currency. Understood? So for
யா. யா.
that reason, so if the virus is attacked, we can easily find out that. So the message will be coming in a different way. So
ஓகே.
flickering, application closing and opening unexpectedly. Okay, and we'll get different type of messages, and we will receive mails also, and we will see some important notepad files will be created on the server desktop in common location area. The hacker will be created in that area. Okay,
ஓகே.
so that virus means virus or might be something. Okay, so who created? It's not automatically created, someone will be created, right?
ஓகே.
So that we can easily identify that, but we are not again handling those things. Again, it will go for security compliance. Security compliance will analyze the logs, and he will talk to the vendor. Who is vendor? Example, we are running on Windows machine, the affected by Windows. So we'll talk to the Windows. Hey, we got some errors. So how to rectify that? So he
ஓகே.
will provide the security patches to us. So we need to install it. So recently ransomware was happened like that only. So immediately Microsoft released the patches. Everyone they installed it on the web servers, mostly in front end servers. Fine. So basically, the
யா.
Zoom meeting will only work for 40 minutes. Then after we have to reconnect it. So I'm closing and reopening the meeting. Please join
ஓகே.
immediately.
ஓகே.
Huh? Yeah, thank you.
யா. ஓகே.
So in this lab requirement, so we were divided into, there are 5 layers. So at present in this slide only 4 layers is a user layer. That means end users. So they will be connected in the user layer, will be segregated. Access layer. So that will be front end applications like web servers. So they'll be connecting in the front layer. So like VPNs, all these things will be.
Hello. No.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, yeah, tell me. I'm not able to hear the voice. Current one.
So my voice is clear now? It's
Yeah,
audible?
now it's clear.
Yeah, fine. So
Yeah, so,
the entire lab, the Citrix lab will be divided into 5 layers. Okay, all the servers.
okay.
So even though they will be in only one platform in one network, but the layers wise will
Okay.
be divided into 5 groups. User layer. The user layer means end users. So like normally, if you all the users will be using applications and desktop, they who are all using
Okay.
Citrix services, they're called as end users. So that will be
Okay.
part in the user layer part. So sometimes the users will be connecting from home and some users will be connecting from office. Okay. And
Okay.
some users will be
Okay.
connecting from authorized um, contractors offices also. Some marketing persons. Okay. Some shareholders they'll be connecting outside of office also. They'll be connecting. So anyhow, they will be connected to our front end servers. What are the front end servers? Mainly web servers, VPN servers, we will be connecting. That will be into access layer. So in the access layer, so these are main gateway. So even our corporate persons are might be our clients will be connecting. Even hacker also will be connecting this same way. Okay.
Okay.
So we had to provide more security here. So we had to provide a firewalls. These firewalls, either we have a software firewalls, either physical firewalls. Again, these firewalls, wherever the firewalls are coming, that will be managed by firewall team. Again, we have a separate team called firewall team, security team. They'll be managing that. So there is an incoming traffic and outgoing traffic, both will be handled in the firewall section. So why do you want to learn firewall, how it works or not? Yes. So the basic things you should know. So in the incoming traffic, outgoing traffic, what are the protocols we are using? We have to learn clearly. Then only when you are working on any issue in the Citrix, so if the protocols are blocked on the firewall end, the connection will not establish. Say example, so our websites mostly will be working on either HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP or HTTPS. 80 or 443 port number. So in the firewall, in incoming traffic, might be the port number 80 is blocked. Can you be able to connect to your storefront server? No, it is not possible. Understood.
Okay.
So for that
Yeah, yeah.
reason, so we should know about that. The firewalls are working or not, the ports are blocking or allowed, so that we need to understand. Okay,
Okay.
so coming to that control layer, so here is your middle brokering sessions and your authorization, your username and password will be verifying. Okay, and your permissions, everything will be managed in the control area. So mainly in the Citrix product we call as delivery controller. So in the delivery controller will be connected to other services, like we have a Active Directory and the site databases, file server, Citrix Insight Center. These are the products they'll be connected in the backend. So going forward, we'll see and how to set up the lab and how to connect the services to
Hello.
another servers in the control layer. Understood? So
Okay.
now
Yeah.
coming back to that, so another layer called resource layer. So exactly your applications, so you are a developer, you are developing an applications, right? Where you are installing that application on the resource layer. Okay. You are a Windows
Okay.
administrator, you are creating a Windows boxes where you are creating in the resource layer. Okay. So in this area, we have a remote PCs, a physical machines, server operating systems, desktop operating systems, and virtual machines also. Okay. Do you know what is meaning of virtual
Yeah.
machines? On the hypervisor, we are creating. So both
Okay.
physical and virtual infrastructure, everything will be comes under resource layer.
Okay.
So The final layer is called hardware layer. Okay, hardware layer means your data center. In the data center, we have a rack servers that is called ILOs. Okay, and that will be connected to switches, routers. So that is your physical network. So in that mainly we have a RAM that is called memory, processor, huh? Storage, graphic card. These are everything comes under hardware layer. So totally we
Okay.
have a five layers. So at present in this slide, hardware layer is not mentioned. Going forward, we'll see. Okay. So
Okay.
now we want to set up any lab for Citrix. So just we will give you a rough information. So we have to give some amount of RAM and CPU and storage. So we have enough storage and we have enough RAM and CPU in our lab. We can practice. Don't worry. Understood?
RAM is 8 GB. Is it okay, right?
No, no, one server. One server capacity, not entire servers. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. So we have a dedicated 32 GB rack server is there. We will connect and we'll practice it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Hmm? And we have a 8 to 9 TB of storage is available. That means 9000 GB of
Okay.
storage that we can use it. Don't worry. We have a enough storage. Hmm. So that's it for our course. So I want to show you the course content. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
Ganesh, did you share the course content to Prakash? Ganesh?
I think so. He shared one link. I think so.
Okay, fine. No problem.
I didn't open that one. I think so. Just a minute.
Hmm. Fine. So let me share my course content.
No, no. He's not. He shared one PDF file.
Hmm.
This is course content.
So
Yeah, it's a Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop 7
yeah,
administration, right?
this is official course content.
Yeah, that is one.
Yeah, this course content we
Okay.
will be covering. So this training is completely CXD 210. Okay, this is uh,
Okay.
the first level of training. Hmm.
Okay.
So here is the course content. So this completely we have a 14 modules, but in our course we will be 15 modules. So we'll take some additional topics from CXD 310 also. We will I added some part in 210 also. That's the reason. So totally we have a 15 modules. Officially is a 14 module. Unofficially, I'll give you the extra training for advanced concepts in CXD 310. That concept will be included in 210 itself. Okay. So because of its mandatory
Okay.
required nowadays. So for that reason, I'm additionally added on the 15th module. Okay.
Okay. What about the course duration?
That I told you, know. So on an average daily we will
Okay.
be taking 1 hour the training. So
1 hour.
yes, sometimes we will be taking classes Saturday, Sundays also. Okay.
Okay.
So Saturday, Sunday we will cover 2 to 3 hours. So if Saturday,
Okay.
Sunday will take 2 to 3 hours, mostly it will cover 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours.
Okay.
And remaining Monday to Friday, hardly we are taking 3 days class and 3 hours, exactly 3 hours. So totally, almost,
Monday 3 hours. Weekend 3 hours
yeah, of course, we have totally almost 9 hours. 9 hours we'll be covering now. Okay. So
per week.
yeah, if we are taking Monday to Friday, only 5 hours will be covering. So Monday to Friday daily 1 hour will be taking. So Saturday,
Hmm.
Sundays mostly will not take the class. In this way, only
Okay.
weekly 5 hours will be covering. So don't go for hourly basis. Hourly means if you
Okay.
teach fastly like that, the I will complete that course as soon as possible. But you need to understand, right,
Okay.
the
Okay.
concepts. So
No, no. I want to know what is the
right, right. So approximately
range.
45 hours of training if you want to
45. Okay.
hourly
Okay.
basis if you know about that 45 hours
45 hours or 45 classes?
45 hours classes wise
Only hours.
classes wise you can see the last batch we completed, right? You can check here. Citrix 2020 10 a.m. batch. So how many sessions we completed, including module 15? Okay, 31 sessions.
Okay.
So 30 or 31
31.
sessions. Okay, that's it.
Okay. Okay.
So sometimes some classes will be extended for 1.5 hour. Okay, and
Okay.
sometimes only 1 hour. So if the topic is very small, we will complete it in 45 minutes also. Don't depend on the
Okay.
timing. So because of we need a, if you check this one video, so you want to complete information you need. So some topics we will be discussing in one video, and remaining part will be teaching in another video. You will not grasp it after some time. So for that reason,
Okay.
we will clearly we will design our course like in one module we will split in our course. Example, in module 5, the storefront will took nearly how many classes? Almost 5 classes we took, because of so many
Okay.
points we need to discuss here.
Okay. Okay.
And policies only is a small concept we completed in 2 sessions. User profile 2 sessions. Printing is a small concept with only 1 session here. Okay, you can length, you can check here, you can check the length of the video. So 46 minutes, 55 minutes, 7 minutes only. Some concepts, there is a small concept will be there, and we divided into 2 videos in the same day, and we completed. And sometimes we have 1 hour 25 minutes also, because of it is a only one class we had to complete it. Why should go for second class? So that's a way we design. Sometimes we have a 1.5 hour troubleshooting part. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but some, if the during 1 hour training also, some chit charts will be not recorded, because of we have some questions that we'll be discussing. So every day we have some question answers, right? So that also not be included here, because of after that, if you are watching that it won't good. So if you want, you can record yourself. I don't have any problem. I'll provide you the admin access. You can record yourself from your side.
Okay. Okay.
That's not a problem. So
Soft copy also they are providing, right, for the materials?
material I'll provide, but this material I
Yeah.
should not
Okay.
give. This material I should not give. This is a trainer material. We have a student material
Okay.
is there. I'll provide that. Okay, don't worry. So
If you are having doubts in anything in the related corporate areas, you can that time is it
any
possible to
doubt
call?
you can any doubt you can call, and you can WhatsApp me. Okay, if you have any errors while during the lab, you can tell me that. No issues.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. And
Okay.
mostly, what time you'll prefer for doing the practice?
Actually, that course I am looking for evening only.
Okay. No, no, no. After the class, when remaining time when you're practicing the lab.
Mm, immediate after the over the class.
Okay. So after
1 hour or how many hours are you going to provide?
at
If you
present,
are having system, I am having the system means I will check with my system
yeah,
only, right?
this
It's not a
our
problem,
lab
right?
will be accessing by some other students also. Not only I'm entire day I'm not dedicated to you. So sometimes I will do
Okay.
some practice. So some new concepts.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll do some researching part. Okay. So
Okay.
you can think and tell me, and when which time you'll be comfortable. So 1 hour is enough normally. So
Based
for
on
practice you can take 2 hours, at 2.5 hours, 2 3 hours like that, not a problem. But you can
okay.
tell me the
Okay.
dedicated time in a day. Okay, I'll reserve that
Okay.
timing in my Excel sheet, and I will give you access for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
For a lab session, is 2 hours or 3 hours able to take or only
example,
1
don't
hour?
go for restricted mode like that. Okay, only 2 hours
Okay.
or 1 hour. If you need it, you can take 5 hours also. Okay, not a problem.
Okay. Okay.
Are you already working, and are you spending 5 hours for lab practice? No, right?
No, no, no. I'm asking
There's a
you.
small installation application. It took only 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, what
Okay.
you'll do? So you don't have any other concepts
For
to
that,
practice.
no,
Okay,
no, no. I want to know that the
not a
configuration,
problem.
configuration, the
Yeah,
thing,
I'll
that is
provide
not
it.
a problem.
I'll provide it. Not a problem. If you practice the multiple concepts, you can take more.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You have any other things to say?
Nothing.
That's all.
Anything you want to write for exam, like CXD 210 course, so that I can help you.
Okay. Okay.
Certification part.
Certification
Yeah.
part. Okay.
The training is completely for in the training certification based only. So you have to follow the CXD 210 course content, and you can go for exam. Not an issue.
So online course, online only, right?
No.
For
You have to go for a Prometric center and register with your mail ID and pay the fees and book the slot for exam.
Okay.
Then you can go for exam.
It is for anywhere in the world or
Anywhere you can
in
write.
India?
Yes. No,
Okay.
anywhere in not only India. Even Singapore also you can write down. No issues.
Okay.
Fine. So we'll see tomorrow.
Certification part we'll plan later.
Sorry?
I will check certification part. I will plan later. First we'll finish this course.
Right. So any final questions?
Nothing. I will discuss with Ganesh, right?
Yeah.
So I discuss with Ganesh or directly with you?
No. So you can discuss with Ganesh only. So any training part, any questions like the topics, any additional services you want?
Yeah, topics I already discussed with your networking.
Yes.
All basic networking we are going to anyway take, right?
Yeah.
After that only we are going for Citrix side. That is okay. Then for networking classes it will take 5 days, right? Basic
not continuously.
cover.
So wherever you required, we will take the class.
Okay,
so we will inform that. So we are installing these services. We need basic knowledge. So first we need to attend the training, then come back to the Citrix. So we need a Windows knowledge. So first we have to attend the Windows class, then come back to the Citrix. So if first we'll teach Windows and networking, then after we'll going for installing the components, you definitely forget the concepts. Okay. So that's the reason I created separate folder.
Okay. Are you providing all videos, right? That Windows and the networking?
These videos I'll completely provide to you.
Yeah. You have some videos for
today.
I want to know already you are taking.
Today video also I'll share with you after some time today.
Okay? No, actually not a today video. I'm asking that all networking you have some videos, right?
Every videos I will share.
For networking classes.
Every class videos I will share. Okay.
Okay. If you not our classes, I'm asking if you have any other videos for networking related topics, are you going to share the videos?
Yeah, definitely. I have a couple of videos for CCNA and some other trainings also. If needed, I can share with you.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Okay. So I need to jump into another call.
That is, I think, so useful part.
Fine. So
okay.
We will discuss tomorrow remaining part. So I have some.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time, both of you.
Yeah. Thank you.